Hi, my name is ABDUL QAYYUM and I have completed my graduation in Computer Science Engineering from ISL Engineering College. I joined this Jspiders Punjagutta branch in May 2024 and my experience here has been very great and coming to my mentors, they teach every concept in a clear and simple way. They will start from the scratch and special thanks to my mentors Ravi sir, Vivek sir, Kaushik sir and Lingara sir, Reshma ma'am and grooming sessions here are very helpful to build the confidence before the interviews and I'm happy to share that I got placed in a company and with a compensation of 3 LPA and I truly recommend Jspiders who want to build a good IT career and thank you Jspiders for